how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinomi Wallet or send BTC from Coinomi to other crypto wallet. If you want to transfer or in fact send crypto or Bitcoin from Coinomi to other wallet, it is very simple. Just launch the Coinomi application and this is the interface you will see. Make sure you tap the plus bar and then add the crypto that you want over here. So let's say I want to send Bitcoin to another wallet. Make sure that you copy the wallet address of the recipient, and once you have the wallet address, now just tap on Bitcoin. Now let's say you want to send it. At the very top you can see this option that says send, so tap the send option over there. So when you tap on send, over here in the to section you want to simply paste the wallet address that you copied. So once you paste the wallet address, enter the amount of the Bitcoin that you have, then enter the amount of USD that you will get, tap the continue button, select your network, and then after that, after reviewing a couple of details, you'll be able to send or transfer crypto to another wallet. That's all it takes to transfer Bitcoin from Coinomi Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.